Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is like super spontaneous, super crazy. It is literally 12:55 a.m. and I decided that I wanted to take my locks down. So I finished the photo shoot today. I was out all day and I'm really tired, so I have no makeup on my face right now, and I just got home like not too long ago, so if I look exhausted, that's why. But I asked you guys on a poll on Instagram to let me know if you guys wanted me to like film me taking just some of these down and giving you some tips on like things you should know, so that you don't like freak out once you take these down. But yeah, this is gonna be like a really quick video. As you can see, I was already starting to take them down. The faux locks are going to be making a comeback, but for now I kind of just, you know, wanted to try out other hairstyles and just play with my hair a little more because I get bored of things quickly. So yeah, for some of these, what I did the dipping it in hot boiling water technique. So a lot of these are really easy to just take off. Like for example, this one, like the bottom, I can just like pop it off and it'll start like unraveling. I made a little knot and I'm able to actually get it loose. And for me here, this one will just start unraveling. So that's one way I do it. You know, I can just start like pulling at it, finding anywhere that it might be weak once I do that, and kind of just, you know, do that. So I have a little mirror right here, and that's why I'm going to be looking this way a little bit. But once I get here, we're going to talk about what's going on right now. So I finally took off the hair that I used to ravel it, and now we're left with like the little braid. This one, I mean, it's super easy, right? Start pulling at the bottom. I'm like, I can't wait till I'm done with this and I can just take a nice little shower. But of course, yo soy antojada. Me quise quitar esta vaina ahora. Y pues. You're gonna notice, and especially in the fronts and the ends of your hair, you're going to have a lot of product buildup. One from like laying your baby hairs and, you know, whatever products you put in here, and lint from like your clothes when you take off your sweater, when you put on shirts, you know, all this good stuff. You can wash your hair, but there's always going to be buildup there, so don't worry about that. I know it's like a little nasty. One way that you can avoid it from showing when you're rocking your hairstyle on a day-to-day basis, I like to grab my brush, put any cloth over it, and kind of just like comb away at the root, and that kind of just makes it disappear in the meantime, you know, if you're just gonna go out. Another thing, people with short hair won't notice this much, but people with curly hair, you know, you shed hair every single day. And so with curly hair, sometimes you notice that when you wash your hair after maybe like a week or two, you'll notice that it looks like you're losing a lot of hair, but really it's just that the hair is getting caught up in your curls. Like it doesn't fall out as easily as someone who has straight hair. It just falls off and you don't notice. So for us, it accumulates. What you'll notice is that with faux locks, since your hair has kind of just been trapped in this style, all the hair that you've been shedding has accumulated in this one braid. So you're gonna notice that you're losing a lot of hair, but you're not really losing a lot of hair. It's normal. It's just, you know, everything that was piled up from since you had this hairstyle, all that hair that you shed from then, you're going to now see it come out at the same time. So don't freak out when you see that. I'll show you guys how much hair I lost at the end of everything. See how nasty that looks? Yeah, that's product buildup. It's snowing up in here. For other ones, you might need to cut the bottom. Now, I know my hair is not this long, okay? I know it's safe for me to just cut up here because I know my hair is not going to be in the way. And once you cut the end, is the same process, just like pull at it, and you'll notice how it'll easily become like, it'll start coming undone. And everything else is pretty much repetitive. This one I cut it much higher up, so as I start undoing the braid, it kind of just unravels this on its own, and there you go. There you go, it slips right off. It is literally 3:56. I'm finally done. And this is my hair. This is it. I definitely can tell that my hair has grown since I put them in, because before I put the faux locks in, I had done like a trim and my hair was like really short because I cut a little too much. My hair grew a lot. in that time. It's amazing. And of course, I know you guys are waiting to see how much hair I lost. I kind of like to grab from each section and I tie them into little knots, so some of them are like in these chunks. But this is it. So see, I put some of them in like, they're rolled up, so it's a little more compressed. But honestly, I'm surprised. I was expecting a lot more hair. And again, guys, this is completely normal. It's disgusting. It has lint. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. It's a video that you guys get to watch while I finish creating more content for you guys. So make sure you subscribe and have the notification bells turned on because there's a lot more videos coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, wait till you love me forevermore.